she could be a pageant contestant.
Obviously received a lot of attention, but in a great way.
But you won't believe the job this young South Carolina woman has. She's a judge.
I have a duty beyond the courtroom to inspire, to uplift, and empower. And I love doing just that.
You heard right. At the tender age of 25, despite the odds, statistics, and circumstances, Jasmine Twitty became the youngest judge in the history of the United States.
My appointment is bigger than Jasmine Twitty. I feel as though I share this moment and experience with so many people around the country, around the world.
The legal superstar presides over the court in Easley, a small town of around 18,000 in the northwest part of the state. She says even as a kid, her personality paved the path to her success.
Driven, daring, bold, and I always knew that I was interested in government.
Believe it or not, this now 27-year-old judge, who has a BA in political science, doesn't even have a law degree. South Carolina does not require one for a summary court judge. In fact, Twitty never even went to law school.
I started working at what was then the only 24-hour court in the state of South Carolina, and working there and being surrounded by judges, I'm the type of person, anything I want to know, I will ask you 1,000 questions. I learned that, I could eventually attain the experience and knowledge necessary to become a summary court judge in the state of South Carolina.
5 years of hard work at the courthouse paid off. The moment Jasmine got the news of her appointment to the bench is etched in her mind.
On a Tuesday morning, I got that phone call and I was super excited. I called my family. For me, it was official once I had actually taken the oath of office and had been confirmed by the mayor and city council.
Soon came Twitty's swearing-in ceremony. The entire family there for the historic occasion.
The picture that went viral, you could see one of my sisters and my brother holding the Bible. And for me, that was very important, and I couldn't imagine anyone else being up there to share that moment with me.
As an associate judge, Jasmine presides over bond hearings, which means when a defendant is arrested, they have the right to appear in Twitty's court within 24 hours. It's a round-the-clock job.
A judge has to be on duty rain, sleet, snow, nights, weekends, and holidays. That comes with the territory of the job.
Despite her phenomenal success, Twitty tells Crime Watch Daily her respectable title didn't come easily, and she was filled with doubt after being rejected for other judgeships.
Truthfully, I did start to, question my worth, whether it was age, experience, but I had to remind myself, that I am capable.
Jasmine attributes her success in part to her mom and dad's no-nonsense approach to parenting and instilling the importance of community service. It's the passion that drives her every day.
Anytime I visit a classroom, which is something I thoroughly enjoy, even before becoming a judge, I visited classrooms quite often to, facilitate college readiness workshops. I believe early exposure is the best exposure, and I'm sure somewhere along the way I've met some future judicial leaders.
And as Twitty's career is on the rise, she shares her straightforward recipe for success.
I personally believe if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail.